Hi there, welcome to another educational video document in my Web3 expedition. This short video is about Cysic. It's going to introduce you to Cysic, how to get started. You want to do these basic quests very quickly, especially the social quest, because it's about to end. So that's the scope for this video. So first off, when you arrive here, you will need to bind an invite code. It's invite only. This is the invite code on display, 19AAF. You can use that to bind and then you get started. So next you want to do social tasks. Now it's important to do the Twitter task, especially it looks like it's about to be removed or something like that based on what I saw passively on X. So we're just going to focus on that in the course of this video. Some people have struggled with accomplishing that. Okay. I don't know why it's not loading up. Okay, this quest, especially bond your X account. This is simply to verify that you have done so. Bond your Discord account. This is to verify that you have done so. The portal where you do the actual binding is here. So simply append user portal to app.cysic.xyz, just append user portal after the slash, and then you will be brought here. Of course, I will tackle all these aspects in another video, how to set up your node even on your mobile phone and all that. But for now, you want to tackle this. Okay, so this is where you bind your X account. Now, interestingly, it's struggling to pull X up. You maybe you try it on a phone or something. It's possible it works on a phone. Let's try Discord. Wow. So same thing, there seemed to be an issue. So it's saying request failed. You know, you may have to try again multiple times. So none of it is working. Just a moment. Let's see. Let's assume I tried incognito. Wow, everything is sluggish here. I don't know what's going on. Seriously, everything is sluggish. So what I will do is try try it on a phone. Let's see. So there's actually a tweet 7 hours ago. In 12 hours, we'll remove the Twitter tasks. In 24 hours, we'll auto-complete any stock social tasks for affected users. So this needs to be done as soon as possible. The resolution, of course, is, trying trying multiple times till it works. It looks like it's congested or something. So Give me a moment. Let me try this on a phone. Mm, Just a moment. Amp dot Cysic dot XYZ. Because one of these should work. I mean, if X is not working, so it's certainly working. So just a bit of persistence. Website, people who think you follow. Another reason you want to do this as soon as possible is because they do have a Yapper campaign. For those who want to talk about Cysic on X as a way of earning the airdrop, this may be relevant. So my Twitter is now connected. Also, do the same with Discord. So, besides earning points out of the social tasks portal, you may also want to do it in case you end up yapping about Cysic because they are rewarding everybody on the leaderboard. In the case of Cysic, everyone who contributes mindshare to Cysic via their post or replies on X will earn a share of the rewards. So for that one, you'll need to onboard on Kaito with your X account. The link to Kaito will be in the description and you start talking about Cysic. That also applies to every other project featured on Kaito you can position for their airdrop. But Cysic in particular, they are giving an airdrop to all yappers who have mindshare contribution. So you may want to complete this task also because of that reason, not entirely because of the points that you were about to earn from social quests. Speaking of points, while this is loading up, this is where you check. So you click on social tasks here, and then you check this after you have bounded or bonded your X account. So there's associated points for doing that. So if you complete all the quests here, you will get some points and that will get you started. In the next video, we'll talk of more advanced stuff like running a node and all that. Now, if this is not successfully checked, it's said based on the tweets that they will automatically fulfill it as long as you have bonded your X account. Now, for this quest, you need to bond Kepler wallet using the same address as EVM. I don't really like this one, but this will require you to import your wallet into Kepler. So it has to be the same. So let's say you download Kepler, you need to import your MetaMask wallet into Kepler before you connect your Kepler here. Okay, so I wanted to do that. I just downloaded Kepler in my case. So in the course of importing here, you will need to import your EVM wallet. So it's not like a separate a separate Kepler wallet. It has to be your EVM wallet imported into your Kepler to be able to complete this one here. Then claim faucet for 3 consecutive days. This one there is no rush. You can get started. You would use this. everything is congested basically on Cysic at the moment. So you may need to persist when it comes to claiming faucet funds. This will come in handy later on when you run a node and all that. There's also a mobile app. We'll talk about that in the next video. For now, this is having issues. So, you may just want to persist. So let's see. Now, you need an invite. I don't know if I mentioned that. You need an invite when getting started. This will be the invite 19AAF. You cannot get started without an invite, by the way. So let's end the video now and put it out there so that you have time to complete these tasks. After you have bounded, you go to social tasks and then verify. Okay, and at least bind your account. That's all for now. To conclude with this video, visit airdropc.com and submit your email to subscribe to airdrop reminders. I'm working on 100 solid airdrop prospects. Each will have its own publication tutorial coming soonest to subscribers. So submit your email here. Contact me using this contact form, this Telegram, or this Twitter. Subscribe to Web3 Wikis on all socials. There are a bunch of airdrop information in the description. Check it out. Stay awesome. Take action.